You strive to achieve a prosperous future for your loved ones financially. For this, you need regular savings with consistent returns. SBI Life New Samriddhi Plan claims to provide insurance coverage and regular savings to achieve your financial goals. This detailed review will help you to analyze whether the SBI Life New Smart Samriddhi Plan can give you a prosperous future in the long run. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. SBI Life New Smart Samriddhi Plan is an individual, non-linked, non-participating life insurance savings product. In this video, let us look at the features, death benefit, maturity benefit, advantages and disadvantages, and also the internal rate of return of this policy. And also let us compare the return with other products. First, let us look at the features of SBI Life New Smart Samriddhi Plan. The premium paying frequency could be monthly or yearly as per your convenience. Pay for 6 or 7 years and enjoy the benefit throughout the policy term of 12 or 15 years respectively. Enjoy guaranteed additions at the end of each policy year. Get 141% to 181% of sum of annualized premium paid as maturity benefit depending on age and annualized premium chosen. The plan is available without medical examination and also swift processing of policy. There is also tax benefit as per Section 80C and Section 1010D. Next, we shall look at the benefits we get under the policy. Guaranteed additions. For annualized premium less than Rs 30,000, the rate of GA is 5.5% per annum, and for more than 30,000, the rate of GA is 6% per annum. These guaranteed additions are payable on maturity along with basic sum assured or on earlier death of the life assured along with sum assured on death. Next, maturity benefit. On survival of the life assured till the end of the policy term, basic sum assured plus accrued guaranteed additions are receivable. Death benefit. In the unfortunate event of the death of the life assured at any time during the policy term, sum assured on death along with accrued guaranteed additions, if any, will be payable to the nominee or beneficiary, where the sum assured on death is higher of basic sum assured or 10 times the annualized premium or 105% of total premium received up to the date of death. Now let us look at the advantages and disadvantages of SBI Life New Smart Samriddhi Plan. First, advantages. All the benefits under this plans are guaranteed. It is a non-linked and non-participating policy. Guaranteed additions will boost your maturity value. With the payment of limited premium, you enjoy life cover for the whole policy term. Loan facility is available to a maximum of 90% of surrender value. Disadvantages of SBI Life New Smart Samriddhi Plan. The maturity benefit will not be sufficient to meet the inflated cost of your financial goals. The life cover is inadequate to meet your family's future financial needs. Even though the above details give you an idea on working of the policy, it will be better if we estimate the return. This return can be compared with other investment alternatives available in the market. If a 29-year-old male buy the SBI New Life Smart Samriddhi Plan for a sum assured of Rs 5,27,800, it would cost him an annual premium of Rs 70,000. He pays premium of Rs 70,000 for 7 years. He would be receiving the maturity benefit of Rs 8,80,600, which includes guaranteed addition. The IRR works out to be 4.97%, which is not beneficial for a 15-year investment period. This is lower than a bank FD rate of interest. The maturity benefit will not help you to meet your financial goals. Also, the sum assured is inadequate to meet your family's future financial needs. In the long run, your investment yield should be more than the economic inflation, which is missing in SBI Life New Smart Samriddhi. Now let us compare the yield with other investment products. For comparison purposes, let us assume the sum assured, premium paying term, policy term and annual premium similar to the above illustration. SBI Life New Smart Samriddhi Plan is an endowment policy. Similarly, we can have a life insurance cover and savings benefit to meet both purposes. Pure term life insurance for a sum assured of Rs 5 lakhs would cost 4,100 for a 15-year cover and the premium paying term is 5 years. In the earlier illustration, the premium amount is rupees 670,000. So the balance amount would be utilized for investment. You can choose an investment product based on your risk appetite. In the first 5 years, the amount left after paying the pure term insurance premium is utilized for PPF or ELSS investment. In the next 2 years, the full premium is available for investment. Under ELSS, after investing in the first 7 years, the fund grows for the next 8 years. The final maturity proceeds are taxable for capital gains. The tax calculations are also given here. PPF matures after 15 years. It requires a minimum contribution of rupees 500. But in the earlier illustration, the premium paying term was 7 years. So in the 7th year, adjustments were made to pay premium for the next 8 years. That is, in the last 8 years, a minimum contribution of rupees 500 is invested, and in the rest of the years, after paying the pure term insurance premium, the amount left is utilized for PPF investment. The IRR under both scenarios is far better than SBI Life New Smart Samriddhi plan. The pure term plus PPF combo yields you 6.7% IRR, and the pure term plus ELSS combo yields you 10.93% IRR. The maturity proceeds will help you to achieve your financial goals. They are inflation beating returns. Final verdict on SBI Life New Smart Samriddhi plan. It is a traditional savings plan. It is a comprehensive savings plan that provides a combination of protection and savings benefit to the policy holder and their family. Though it offers guaranteed maturity benefits, it may not be sufficient enough to meet your financial goals. The returns from SBI Life New Smart Samriddhi plan are not even matching any debt instrument rate of return. So, investing in this policy will leave you in deficit when meeting your financial goals. Have an adequate life insurance and start your investment journey. Never mix up your investment portfolio and your insurance portfolio. Build a diversified investment portfolio to meet your life's financial goals. A detailed review of this policy is available in our website, and the link is given in the description box. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.